Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June 21st, 2025. So we're heading into the middle of the summertime and we're going to take a look at our cashew apple trees. Now here we have the cashew apples that are recovering from last year's storm. I had to trim them back real heavily. They don't have any fruit this year. So we're learning that when you heavily trim back the cashew apple, it doesn't produce. Let's go take a look at the other side of the yard though, because over there is a whole different story. Now there they are. From a distance you can't see much, but as we come up close, you'll see what's going on. Now this is just Florida sugar sand we grow these in. We don't fertilize them at all. Look down here on the ground, folks. Look at all these cashew apples that have fallen off of the trees from the wind. Not bad, eh? Look at all those out there. That's crazy. Look up here. Look how many are in the trees still. Wow. Whole bunch right there. Really good looking. Look at those ones. Now you see that? There's the fruit, right? You got the fruit. It's kind of sweet, but it like causes your mouth to pucker really heavily when you eat it. And then there's the nut right on the very end. I know, it's weird. The nut grows on the very outside, the very end of the fruit. Look up into the canopy. A whole bunch up there, I think. Let's look around here. That tree over there hasn't produced a whole lot, I don't think. But this one up close has got more. Let's take a look around here. I'm gonna pull my zoom back and we'll go right through this way. I want to take you out to the front section where they're really growing heavily. Look at this. Look at all the cashew apples everywhere. Look at that, huh? So we've got them, and they're doing really well this year on this side of the property. Like I said, we don't fertilize. There's a whole bunch on the ground. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these ones on the ground and then just cut the nut right off of the apple and collect all the nuts. And then by the end of this grow season, we're going to see just how many nuts we actually end up with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'm going to keep you updated on the progress of these cashew apples. Have a great day.